Welcome to the InventorCAM Professor video series called Jumpstart, the easy way to learn InventorCAM. I'm Sydney, your InventorCAM professor, and in this session, we'll be doing part 3 of our first lesson. At this point, since our face mill operation has been calculated, we want to take a look at our toolpath at work. By clicking the Simulate button, we open our simulation control panel in a new window. We have several different modes to present our toolpaths handled by these tabs. The default simulation mode is HostCAD, and that is the mode we will start with. The HostCAD option displays our toolpath as a wireframe. Additionally, by putting a check mark in the Show Tool option, our tool will be represented during simulation as a wireframe circle as well. If we put a check mark in the Show Data box, our simulation data window opens up that displays the X, Y, and Z position of our tool, the current feed rate, and the time it takes to machine this operation. To start the toolpath simulation, we can simply press play. As you can see, the simulation went very quickly. We can control the simulation speed by this slider. Moving it to the left will slow it down. Moving it back to the right will speed it up. When we run it again, you can now see it runs through the simulations at a slower pace. We have another playback option called single mode. Each click on the mouse will move the tool through the simulation one step at a time, and we can watch these movements in our simulation data box as well. The final simulation we will use is Solid Verify. This is different from our HostCAD because you actually see the material removal, and we can now review our cutting tool in 3D. As we single step through the simulation in this mode, we can view our cutting tool approach our stock, move across the face of our part, and finally retract from our part, all in real time. To exit our simulation, click on the eject button on the bottom right of the control panel, and this action will move us back to our edit operation window. This concludes part 3 of our first lesson in Jumpstart. Thank you for joining us in the InventorCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.